What is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is any type of harassing, threatening, demeaning, or embarrassing another person online. Typically, this is done through mean comments, online rumors, and even sexual remarks. They're usually connected with appearances, intelligence, race, sexuality, and more. Anything that is posted online that's meant to hurt or upset someone else is cyberbullying. Who is a cyberbully? It is important to realize that cyberbullies aren't just some kids trying to bully other kids. Unfortunately, even some adults who are immature attack others, including kids, using electronic technologies. It can reach you at home, school, or anywhere. It can take hours or days to spread. Cyberbullying feeds on those who are vulnerable to feeling emotions of hate, anger, envy, insecurity, and peer pressure. Cyberbullying is a major cause of depression or suicide among teenagers. Girls are twice as likely as boys to be victims and perpetrators of cyberbullying. At least 42% of kids have been bullied online. What happens when a cyberbully is caught? Many states and districts mandate required punishments like suspension or expulsion, and some are now considering heftier use of criminal penalties as well. U.S. courts are oriented towards supporting First Amendment rights of free expression of students. However, the court made it clear that schools do have the authority to discipline students when speech articulated or behavior committed off campus results in a clear disruption of school environment. However, just because schools can intervene in certain off-campus online incidences doesn't mean that they have universal authority in all cases. One thing we can teach our students is learning how to resist the urge to bully back. It is important for many students, as is unlearning some uncommon myths about being online. Kids often think they can be anonymous on the internet, or that what they do there is fleeting. Both ideas are mistaken. What are the types of cyberbullying? There is exclusion, harassment, outing, cyberstalking, fraping, fake profiling, dissing, trickery, trolling, and catfishing. Bullies don't just attack in the cafeteria or on the playground. Today, 93% of children ages 8 to 18 have computers at home. 66% have personal cell phones on which they are more likely to text than talk. And 76% own another multimedia device, such as an iPod. How can we stop a cyberbully? There are 10 ways we can teach our students how to stop a cyberbully. We can tell them to report to the school, collect evidence, report to the site, app, or game, talk to a trusted adult, show that you care, work together, tell them to stop, don't encourage it, stay safe, and don't give up. Principals have reported that cyberbullying has increased from 2010 to 2006. In 2010, principals would report daily, weekly cyberbullying at a 7.9%. but it moved up in 2016 to 12%. Along with 2010 and monthly was at 9.4%, and in 2016 moved up to 14.9%. And in 2010, occasional cyberbullying was at 45%, and in 2016 moved up to 54%.